I'm sure you can agree, but one of my favorite emails to get is that out for delivery notification. Even better than that is the knock on the door from the courier. And just a couple of minutes ago, this arrived from Italy, from Venezianico. And I had the camera already set up working on something else. And I thought, let's do a quick unboxing of the watch. The watch is something very different than anything I've ever experienced. So that's even more exciting. But let's get to it and check it out. All right, so we got a little pull tab here, but there's some tape in the way. So I think if we make a couple of precise incisions here, we can get this opened fairly easily. Might need a couple more. There we go. Thank you. Little booklet here with that beautiful aventurine dial. And here is the outer box. I think this is a little bit different by the looks of things compared to the last watch I had in from them. The packaging, that is. And here is the big reveal. The Nereide Acquaforte. Look at that. Fully engraved everywhere. I have never experienced anything quite like that. That is cool. Okay, I'm going to need to adjust the tripod just a little bit here, and we'll get in for a closer look. Just wanted to start with this case back. First of all, how awesome is that? This is hit just about everywhere with engraving. Very nice bezel action, and I didn't notice it at first, but there is that little pip there, the upside down triangle on the bezel. A little bit tricky to find, to be honest with you, but that's okay. Running the watch is a high beat Miyota movement. I believe it's a 9039, but I have to confirm that. Good winding action of the movement. Even the buckle is touched with some engraving there. So the watch, I'm not sure if I even mentioned the name of it, but this is the Nereide Acquaforte, and the name Acquaforte actually comes from an engraving technique where the engraved metal where the metal is engraved rather, and then they apply ink to give it this contrast. Right at the moment, if you go to their site, this may show up as sold out, but there is another batch coming. I'll update you on that when I do a more in-depth video on the watch here soon. But let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7 1/4 inch wrist, and this is just too cool. Really well spec'd watch too. We'll get into that in that upcoming video. One of my favorite things with the hobby is the photography, as well as filming the B-roll for these videos, the close-ups, all of that. And the more detail, the more fun for me. And this is definitely rich with details. Lots to take in here. I think this is a really cool watch. Keep an eye out for that full video coming here in the very near future. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.